Live stream, boy. Da 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 na 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 na. Turn that down. Alright, guys. Oh, this is my YouTube stream. I need to get off that. Market net flow. There we go. Okie doke. Let's see what's going on today, huh? Calls are coming up finally, guys. Let's look at the last 2 days. 2 days is super, super bearish. 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Dude, everything that I'm looking at here. Okay, so 373 was the support level, gamma exposure level. So we should bounce up here, especially with calls coming up like this. We're literally at 373 right now. Let me make sure that those levels are updated. What's up, Potter? Hey, long time no see, bro. Yeah, I remember you. Calls are coming way up, guys. Let's see. I need to find levels. What's up, Scott? Scott's in here. Let me make sure that these levels are right. Oh, we just broke below 373. We should be coming up here. Like calls are going way up. Okay, so based on this, we should break below 373, right? Based off of this this chart here, let me make sure that I'm seeing that right. I got the X pill music. Yeah, if it's too loud, let me know. I'll turn it down just a tad. I turned it down just barely. I have to choose unlicensed music because my streams get taken down if I do anything other than that. So I literally just type in like unlicensed music, and that's what you hear in the background. There's not much unlicensed music, honestly. It's all trash. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh, I was putting in the... Okay, yeah, so we have a red. This should break through here, guys. Man, there's like nothing holding this back. Especially with all the bearish flow. Calls are coming up though, so maybe we will get a relief bounce here. Maybe a relief bounce at 373 and come back up a little bit, and then... Because calls are coming up a lot. Messing with me? Nah. I just have it on just because, I mean, I don't know. Just because I gotta have something on at least. It just sucks that I can't play anything, you know? Last time I played like music that I wanted to, my stream was taken down. So I learned to adapt. Okay, so once we break 370, I feel like there's no really stopping it. Look at this. We have all these gamma exposure levels. Calls are coming up a little bit. Okay, there's the relief bounce we thought that was going to happen. Let's see if we get up to like 375 maybe. $375 is kind of high up there, but I'll put that there for right now. It's a good level. It's so hard to see the gamma exposure levels on this chart. I gotta make sure it lines up perfectly. Yeah, that turned green because it was it's above it, right? Okay, so that was good support, 373. So we should come up here a little bit. Convergence is red. So as long as we hold 373 like we just did there, I feel like we'll go up just a little bit more. Tomorrow we have unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls. Yeah, okay, so I'll be paying attention to this chart here. Oops, that was not meant to be there. Not really any trades for me today. I did get into puts kind of up here. I took profits way too early, guys. I'm kind of mad at myself that I took profits way too early here. I took profits at like 10% and then it ran all the way to like 90%, 80, 90%. It hurts just a little bit, but flow was kind of like really weird today, especially convergence. We did turn red quite a lot here, and I think I got in like around here, maybe 13:07. What time is that? My time? 10 my time? Yeah, 10 my time. Did I get in at 10? Maybe it was a little bit later. Yeah, it was at 10:15. So I got in around here, and it kind of just chopped for an hour, and then it finally dropped. I took profits way, way too early. It's all good. Yesterday was really bad for market info. Today was a lot better. Like, I felt like it moved in the right way today. 30-minute market open was crazy. Yeah. Yeah, it went straight up, right? And then it came all the way back down. But for now, guys, I'm just kind of just chilling, seeing what happens. Next week is going to be pretty crazy because we have the CPI data that's coming out on Thursday of next week. And that tracks the inflation numbers and how bad inflation is. That moves the market a lot, guys. The past few months, several months actually, when the CPI data comes out, it moves the market. It really does move it. Last month it came out, and I think SPY dropped like $15 in a day. I did the same today into puts, but got out way too early. Green is green, man. You're right. I did take it way too early. I could have got 80% on that one. But, yeah. I mean, I'm not going to complain about green. I kind of just got a little bit scared out of it because, one, it was chopping around all day long. And two, market net flow, this tool that I use, it's kind of been weird the past couple of days, especially yesterday. Yesterday, it just did the complete opposite of what it should have. Today, I felt like it did an okay job, right? Especially here, like when it crossed here in the morning and then went above zero, we got a nice follow through drop from like 377 to like 373-ish. But then we did come up. That's what I was looking at, right? We did come up a lot. We turned gray, and then right here, this convergence level was a really good entry there. So I'm going to have to find my levels for tomorrow. Since DEX is red, I feel like we'll be going lower. I think we'll break this 373 level. And it looks like there's not really stopping until 372 and then 370. Refresh all this data. Yeah, nice support there at 373 still. And then it looks like it'll push us all the way down. If we do break that 373, we should definitely see 370. And then we have 375 holding us back from going higher. So calls are coming back down. Do I still trade Fridays? Yeah, I do. Tomorrow I may be a little bit busy because I have to film a house. I have to do some videography work tomorrow. Dex is red, Scott. Here, let me show you. Yeah, it might be a good Dex play, right? Because we've been heavy bearish on the flow the last few days. And we are coming up a lot. So I want to see a bounce off of 375. We'll see if we'll get there today. I put in, this is not a gamma exposure level, guys, but We'll see if this hits our target. It's getting pretty close. It's at 374. I'd say if this bounces off of 375, we can get into puts. 375 is also kind of where VWAP is, so that's kind of nice too. I can show you on my... I chart on Weeble mostly, so... Oh gosh, hold on. I have to... It's kind of hard to move screens. Oh, my screen's here. Here we go. There we go. Alright, see how we broke out of this wedge formation today, and we're coming back up. I have my EMAs and moving averages here. We have VWAP at 375.31. Ooh, it's getting up there, guys. So let me look, since it's pumping right now, let me look for a play. Maybe I'll swing some. Let's see. Maybe some Wednesday puts? The 12th? $370 puts for Wednesday? What do you guys think? There's lots of open interest on those. I'm looking for it now. That's the most open interest on Wednesday. Those are kind of expensive though. What is the theta on those? You move to E-Trade, Weeble doesn't give you... Yeah, Weeble does not give you instant buying power. On a cash... Maybe on a margin account, but not on a cash account. Ooh, we pumped up and then just dropped 60 cents. Huh. Maybe Friday would be better. What's Friday? Friday the 14th? Maybe 365 for Friday. That has 11,000 open interest. Ooh, those 370s are heavy. Theta is 42 on those. Let me look at the Wednesday ones real quick. Oh, Theta is only 43 on. Yeah, I might take the Wednesday ones. Wednesday 370s look pretty decent. Let me throw that on there so I don't have to spend so much time looking at it. Okay. Refresh this. Calls coming down. Ooh, convergence is gray. So, yeah, I'm just looking for that pump to 375. We'll see what happens. Let me make sure that maybe I can find a gamma exposure level at 375. I thought there was one, but maybe not. You know what? Let me look at this one. It's easier. Yeah, there's 375 holding us back, guys, and 376. But just baby, so I mean, if calls do pick up, maybe we could break that, but for now, Bears are winning. Especially over the last few days. Seven-day expiration is messy. 15 and 30 are the same. Goodness. Okay, here's a pump, guys. Here it is. Let's see if we can get up to 375. All right, pump there, Spy. Let's see it. Let's see 375. I might like as it taps 375. I might just go all in, not all in, but I might grab some puts there. Come on, Spy. Come on up. You know you want to. There you go. Puts are coming up. That is what you want to see, guys. It curling up like that. Oh, gets me a little bit horny. And that does not. That kills it. Ads. Get out of here. Is Spy getting up there, guys? Sorry, I'm not even paying attention. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on up. Oh, yeah. All right, we're getting close there, guys. Let me see what's going on here. Once this turns red, I'm freaking hopping in. It should bounce off at 375. It should bounce off at 375. We'll see what happens. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. I would love it to do exactly what I wanted. Ha 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 ha. Philip knows. Oh shoot, why am I not using my new camera? I'm using this webcam. I guess I did that automatically. I have my camera on and everything right here. Oh well, I'll just turn off this camera. No, don't die now. Just come up a little bit. You were so close. Don't die on me now. I need to get in puts. Let's see what's going on. Oh, calls are coming up. We don't want that. Calls are coming up, but puts are coming up too. Puts when that's the idea, Philip. But two things need to happen. And what I look for when getting into play, conversions here needs to turn red as well as hit my targets and bounce off of them. So those two things. So I mean, this got pretty close. I would kind of count that because it did get within like 50 cents. I give it usually 50 cents when I plot targets. So this hit 374.55. It is coming up a little bit. So we'll see. Who just joined here? Ah, BJ's in here.
Where's everyone?
What's up, dude?
Where's everyone?
Hold on. Let me turn off my music here because it's too loud. Hold on. There we go. No one's here. It's just me. I'm talking to the YouTube stream. Yeah, everyone's here. Well, they can't hear you. Well, now they can because I just turned you up. I'm thinking that I don't know if you heard or if you were in my stream, but I'm thinking
No,
of
I just
getting some swings possibly.
of what
Puts.
direction?
Puts. Yeah, puts.
And what's your thesis?
I'm thinking this bounces off of 375 because that is the
Okay.
next gamma exposure level. It got pretty close. It got to 374.55, but yeah, it's kind of coming back down now. It's at 374. We'll see what happens here. But I'm thinking of getting into swings once convergence turns red. I might hop into some Wednesday puts.
So market net flow is showing red. And the
Yep,
DEX is
puts
red
are
too?
yep, Dex is red. Puts are up. They're going up right now. And overall flow is just bearish the last few days, so
Yeah. I have a strangle right now, so I got a 370. Wait, what do I got? 370,
come on,
376.
Spy. I don't want Spy's freaking dropping. Come on, I want you to go up just a little bit more. Stop dropping without me, please.
Yeah, you had those for 110. They went up to 195.
Yeah, I was just telling Burns that it went up to like 80%, and I got out at 10%. Such a joke. It happens every time.
Ivy increasing. Check that. They're expecting a move or not.
How much time? Oh, we have 25 minutes left.
Only 36%. I mean, that's not a lot.
What's 36%?
IV. Usually, if
On
there's going to
what?
be a big move tomorrow, then they'd be like 40 or 50 for spy puts.
Oh,
Maybe they're not expecting a big move.
no, it's probably. I can tell you exactly. There's a little chart that I look at. Puts are flying though, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's coming back down.
Expected volatility is bigger than it was today. Expected
For
for
tomorrow?
tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, never mind. No, it's not.
Twitter is all over the place.
I just refreshed it and it changed. I mean, that's not as accurate as you think it is looking at that chart.
Yeah.
The expected volatility.
Are the housing interest rates like way up today or something? The Bear Real Estate ETF is up 10% today.
No,
So the higher
Spy,
that goes,
stop
the worse the
dropping.
housing market.
I was supposed to get in puts, and you're just dropping without me. Come on. Don't do it. Got pretty close to 375. That might have been it. Dang.
Still time left.
Yeah.
I go back up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that wedge play would have been perfect. We were both looking at that wedge, and it broke. And we're like, oh, there it is. It broke. It dropped like another $2 after that.
Yeah.
370.
I was out of those puts before that even broke anyway.
Yeah. 370, 490 down to 372.70. So $2.20 it fell.
Yeah, that was a fat move I could have made. That would have been a good play. Of course, I chicken out every time and take small
You're very
wins.
precise.
Yeah.
Very precise with your entries.
Yeah, I got everything's got to line up. Oh, yes. Yes, Spy. Go up. Come on.
Oh, shit. Okay. Maybe when you buy a put, I'm going to sell my call. Because my call's up 10%. And then just hold my put.
I'm thinking it gets to 375. The convergence is still gray, so. I would like just a little bit more out of it before it drops again. Has been chopping around this range the last 3 days, right? Around 378, and then back down to like 373, 372 ish.
Yeah, they're waiting on them big move. Man, it would have been perfect for spreads today. Like $6 out of the money.
Oh, I know. Yeah, you would have just
Anyway, calls or puts.
collected that premium off that theta. Freaking huge bummer. I sold out of those ones yesterday because those would have went all the way in the profit. Would
For a
have
loss
collected all
too,
of it.
right?
Yeah, I did sell for loss, and it would have been 100% profit.
I bought a put to hedge it and made a quick $30 on it.
Uh-huh.
So I was like, even if I have to buy this credit spread back for minus 30, still be, so that was my stop loss, was minus $30 on it. And so I held it and it went up to like 25. I'm like, okay, I'll still hold it because I'm still plus 6. And then it went back to 0. So I ended up profitable on both things.
Well, I guess I'll just be patient for now. I was expecting to get into put pretty quick, but really, really slow right now.
Maybe after the bill at Rock, or after the bell at Rockets, like 80 cents.
That's what it did yesterday.
Oh, that was convergence turned like 5 minutes before, right?
No, it flipped like 3 times the last hour. Yeah. It was red,
like,
and then
right.
it went green, and then it went freaking red again.
Yeah, I was listening. You're like, all right, it just turned red. I should get in a put here. And then someone in the YouTube chat took it and got like 20%.
Yeah. Spy, please. Don't drop now, buddy. I was like this close to getting to puts because it was rocketing. I was about to hit 375. And it's just dying. Perfect. Puts are going straight up.
Yeah, but calls are going up. Aren't calls too?
Yeah, but not as much as puts. Puts just went up almost $5 million in like the last 10 minutes. Malik, you probably weren't here, but I'm thinking about swinging some puts. But it's got to get to my target first. It got pretty close, but this little shift might have been it. But ideally, I'd like to see it tap 375. As well as convergence turning red for me. Which convergence is still gray, so. Yeah. I'm thinking about getting some Wednesday puts for the Dex play. Because Dex is red.
Safer.
Yeah, I was thinking about Friday, but the theta is the same as Wednesday, so I just figured I'd get the Wednesday one. And we've got a nice little red Dex bar there. One thing I did notice that I haven't really talked to you guys about is the, let me see if I can find it. Where is it? There's so many tools here, it's just hard to figure out exactly where the hell this is.
The dealer positioning thing, I didn't know anything about that when you showed me that last week.
Yeah, the dealer.
Friday, I thought we were going to go up.
The dealer Greeks buildup is one that I look at a lot too, to kind of find trends on where the start of a trend, and that one's amazing.
Yeah.
Is that what you're talking about? Dealer Greeks?
Or
are you talking about the diary?
At 3 o'clock on a Friday, I was like, remember the week before we were going to buy calls because people have to close.
Oh, you're talking about the diary.
Yeah, but we had that $1.50 candle right at 3 p.m. I'm like, see, look, it popped, and you're like, it still shows that it's going to go down, and then it ended up going down $3 more after that. So you're right.
Yeah, you got to focus on the. Yeah, you got to look at those. I haven't even looked at it today, so I mean, I mean, it's Thursday, so nothing's really expiring. But Fridays, Wednesdays, you got to focus on that. But there is another tool called Dealer Greeks Buildup, and that it's pretty accurate, man. Like it predicts new starts of trends. And I'm on my stream right now, so I'm kind of explaining it. But see guys how it's red right here? This red and the deltas and the Greek buildup means that it's the reversal. So it hit red right here, and see how it reversed? This white line here is SPY. And then right when it turned green, the downtrend started. It's pretty cool to look at. And then right here again, this was recent. On the 26th of September, we got a red one, and see how we went up? We literally went from 360 to 380 almost, like within a couple days. And now it's back green, so that's kind of like leaning my bias to another downtrend. And it makes sense because CPI data is coming in next week. It might get bloody. And then the flow, everything's kind of lining up into another leg down.
I feel like the pump this morning was just to get put holders out of their positions. It pumped what?
Oh, it looked almost identical to yesterday. I was worried about that.
Yeah, I was like, pumped $3 in like 15 minutes, and then it just fell right back off.
Yeah. Well,
back up.
It's going back up. It's just a choppy last hour there. It's red, or convergence is gray. Man, I love convergence, man. That's like one of my favorite things.
Yep.
It's pretty dang accurate. When it's gray, it's either going to be choppy or goes the opposite of flow.
There was one thing too where you said it just turned gray. That seemed like a good entry point for the opposite. Like
sometimes it does. Yeah.
If the puts were up top and it just turns gray, it might be good for a call, even though puts are on top.
Yeah, I mean, if you back test it, you can see if you do the opposite once it turns gray, it kind of works out almost every time.
Yeah.
So today it worked out fantastic. So when it turned gray today in the morning at 10:44 my time, so wait, is that 10:44? No, sorry. 10:44, 7:45 my time, so 10:44 your time.
Mm-hmm.
It went from 373.50, whatever that was. Yeah, that was like at the low of the day in the morning, and then it popped up from 373.50 all the way to 376. Yeah, it turned gray there.
Is Josh still in calls right
now? No, he's not. But that was a $3 move once that turned gray. That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm looking at the post from earlier.
And then, I mean, almost.
But sometimes it turns gray for 2 candles and then goes back red. You know.
Yeah.
You gotta make sure it's confirmed.
Well, that's the thing, right? You can just play that, and then I bet you'd have a nice win rate if you just do it every single time.
Yeah, and if it turns back, just get out of your call. Then you just keep doing it.
I mean, if you have the time to do that. I mean, I don't really want to do that every single time. I could.
The buying power.
That drain your buying power, but I mean, I would just that's just too much stress for me. Because that's like, if you did that today, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pretty much like 7 or 8 trades right there, just from convergence. But I mean, it worked every single time. The first 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 trades would have been like instant, like dubs.
Oh, shit. Look at that green candle.
Yes. Go up. Hit 375. Come on. Man, we might smack the entry like we did that one swing last time. I think it was Monday. Where we got it.
Now, right?
Huh?
Convergence is gray right now.
Yeah. On Monday, we smacked an entry like right at close, like at 12:59 my time. And when it bounced off of 366 and then it mooned right after that.
Yeah, I haven't like made any trades the past 3 days.
Puts are still going up, dude. Holy crap.
I've made $8, $5, $15 in the last 3 days. But it's still green, so that's all I care about.
Spy, please wait for me. Stop. Man.
God, I had that huge candle completely reversed.
Convergence is still gray. This is going to leave without us, isn't it? It's not going to go up. It's just going to go down. Dang. Dang, bro.
New lows, last 10 minutes.
And it got pretty close to 375, so that could, ideally, that could have been it. We'll see, though. I'll just keep being patient. Oh, there's a green candle. Come on.
Look at the wicks on these 3-minute candles. Up, down, up, down.
Oh my gosh. That candle was so green and then it just completely died. All right, here comes the volume. The volume is getting nasty now. I just need to spike up and then tap 375. Come on.
Is that a GEX level?
Yep. But, I mean, it could have already hit. I mean, it got pretty close, so. It got to 374.57, I think it is. What is that? What is that high right there?
What was the next one after
374.60.
that? 380?
No, just $1 up, 376.
Oh.
And then after that, then there's nothing until 380, if it does go up.
This is a nasty day to play anything. You did good staying out.
Yeah, I wanted to get something. I wish I could have gotten 80. That would have made me super happy. Come on, Spy. Yes, go up. Come on. Puts are still going up, dude. Might turn red here. Convergence might turn red. It's getting very close. No, if I'm buying this late, I'm swinging. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I might just do it tomorrow. It's not going to go up. It's just going to keep going down. Huge pain. If we would have gotten in puts up there when I thought that it was going to hit 375, I should have started scaling, honestly. Dang. I feel like I should change my strategy up once it gets a little close to my targets. I should start scaling, like within 50 cents.
Yeah, averaging down can be a bad habit, though.
Yeah.
Like, it could really burn you one time. Because flow the last 2 days has been poop. It's always right until it isn't.
It's freaking always right though. Like
Except for
always.
yesterday.
Except for yesterday, yeah. But if you would have gotten a little bit further outdated, you would be super green right now.
Oh, UVXY just a qual. When I buy a put.
God damn it. Freak! Stop going down.
What's the VIX at? What's the VIX at? VIX. 30, 50. Oh, that's a...
It's above 30.
30, 50. Yeah. So 1.5%
I totally think that I just missed my entry like 20 minutes ago.
Oh. And that VIX 45 call for November is scaring me too.
Damn, bro.
Like VIX hasn't been above 40 since 2020.
I just want to see like a huge spike up like the last 2 minutes here. That would be amazing.
I was thinking we could do a debit spread on UVXY, which is like the VIX, if we think it's going to go high. And we could do it a lot cheaper and then not have to waste any money on theta.
Well, those contracts aren't that expensive in the first place, are they?
Yeah.
They're not too bad.
Oh, if you go out to November.
Okay, yes, SPY. Here we go. Now it's getting wild. High volume. Come on. Convergence still is gray. It's almost red, though. Come on, SPY. Just a quick dollar move up. Just come on. Come on.
That's a dollar. That's it.
I mean, it's done that plenty of times. Here we go. Come on. Poke your little head back up there. I might slap this entry, bro. There we go. Come on.
Look at that candle.
That's what we want to see right there. There we go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Get on up there to 375.
Positive now. It was just down $15.
Get on up there.
IV must be increasing.
I don't know if this is going to let me. I don't think it'll let me. Got 5 minutes left. Okay, I got to pee. I'll be back before the market closes. What is that? Freaking dropped 70 cents. Oh my gosh. Stop.
Look at that reversal. Oh
my gosh. And then convergence is red now. Bruh. Should I just risk it? I might. And throw a stop loss on it. Yeah, I might do it. Alright.
Stop loss won't hit overnight.
No. Alright, I got filled. 375.
Oh boy.
Oh, and now it's going up. I love the last
big old green candle.
The last 2 minutes are like my favorite. I love watching the candle. Because it's just
looks like
bulls and bears
indecision,
fighting.
maybe.
I just imagine like bulls
Yeah.
and bears just going at it.
Like huge green candle, completely reversed.
I've seen it before.
Big red candles with huge bottom
Convergence
wick.
just turned red though. Okay, I better alert this before people get mad at me. 370. Wait, what date is this? 10. Oh gosh, I can't even see what date I picked. 10, 12. 10, 12, EXP. Gosh, this takes me so long to type out. At 375.
Oh, you're in the green now.
Oh, I'm hella green right now. Let's go.
God damn it. I could have just got on my strangle for green. Now I'm down $14.
Oh shoot, I forgot to put. Oh lord. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Convergence, man. Convergence is so good. Oh, bulls are coming back. Oh, bulls are coming back. They're fighting. They're fighting strong. All right, tomorrow's going to be fun.
Mm-hmm.
But then tomorrow I have to do a lot tomorrow, damn. And market is closed in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. That's a wrap. That is a wrap.
God damn it.
Tomorrow I have to do videography work for a house in the morning, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to focus on it.
Do you get up early, like 6:30 for the market?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude. I'm always in there that early. I
Yeah.
wake up at 6 usually, and I just go over like news and read tweets and stuff up until like till like 6:25.
Okay, I'm with you. See
Yep,
what happens.
swinging those are expensive. They're at even right now.
Wednesday, 370.
Yep.
260 right now.
Yep.
Oh, you got Friday then.
3. Oh, did I get Friday?
I think so.
No, I got Wednesday.
Yeah. Oh, Wednesday, yeah.
Right. Wednesday. Yep.
Yeah.
They're at. I'm red a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, brother. Well, I will see you tomorrow.
All right,
I have to go.
Best of luck.
I'm probably going to be driving in the morning, but I mean, I'll still be there. I have to film 4 houses in the morning.
Nice. Is that what you do? I thought you did delivery.
Oh, no, that's the technician job I have too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's not all the time.
Okay.
But yeah, so I have 4 houses to do tomorrow. But we'll see what happens. I will see you tomorrow.
All right, I'll see you.
See ya. I will see YouTube tomorrow as well. Hopefully I get back in time. After I film those houses, I should be back before market closes.